How to fix microphone voice input on Android. If the microphone voice input is not showing on your Android device keyboards, then here is the short and quick way to fix the kind of issue. Just follow all the tricks till the end of the video. As you can see on this keyboard, you will see a small microphone icon at the right corner of the screen on this keyboard. If this is missing on your Android device keyboard, go to the settings or the gear icon on this keyboard. Now you will reach on the settings page of this keyboard. Tap on voice typing. Remember to toggle on the button for use voice typing if it is toggled off. And if you see on the same keyboard, then you will see that microphone voice input icon is not showing. So this might be the reason why your issue has been here on the keyboard. So let's go back and toggle on the button for use voice typing. And as you can see that the issue will be fixed using this method. If this method is not working and the error is still there, then go to the settings on your Android device. Scroll down. Now go to the additional settings option here and open keyboard and input method. Tap manage keyboards and toggle on Google Voice typing. Once you have followed all the steps, then your microphone voice input error will be fixed on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe and press the notification bell for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.